Hello students, welcome to Sufa E-class. In the previous lecture, we have studied the methods of writing a set. We have studied the listing method, that is rooster method, and set builder form or rule method. So student, today in this lecture, we are going to start practice set 1.1 and we will solve the questions from this practice set. But before that, student, remember we have discussed some illustration in the previous lecture in which we have studied how to convert the set from listing method to rule method and from rule method to listing method. So student, here the information of some set is given to us and we have to write that set in rooster form or listing method. Rooster form is nothing but listing method. So here the first question is set of even numbers. Student, you know what are even numbers? The numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are called even numbers, and that the set of that number will denote that set by A is equal to curly bracket. And you know what are even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, comma and so on, because these numbers are infinite. Means even numbers are infinite. The set of even number is infinite set. Why? Because the elements of that even number, the element from the set of even numbers are infinite, and that even numbers are those numbers which are completely divisible by 2. 2 is completely divisible by 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers are completely divisible by 2. So student, now the next question is set of even prime number from 1 to 50. Student, even prime numbers we want here. So what are even prime numbers? The numbers which are even as well as prime. We know the definition of even number, the number which are completely divisible by 2. And what are prime numbers? The number that are divisible by 1 and itself. The numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself are called as prime numbers. So student, from 1 to 50 there is only one number which is even as well as prime, which is completely divisible by 2 and which is divisible by 1 and itself. The student, that number is 2. Yes, we'll give this the name of this set as B. B is equal to curly bracket, and there will be only one element in this set because there is only one number which is even as well as prime from 1 to 50. So you want the even prime number, that is 2. 2 is the even prime number from 1 to 50. So student, next set is set of negative integers. Student, we have studied a number line. I will repeat this. The midpoint of number line is 0, and towards 0 there are positive numbers, and to the right of 0 that are positive numbers, to the left of 0 that are negative numbers. So student, out of these all are integers, means positive number, negative numbers including 0 are called integers, and out of integers we want only negative integers. So I will represent this set by C. C is equal to curly bracket, and the set of negative integers we want. So negative integers are negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5 and so on. This set is also infinite because negative integers are infinite. So student, now the next set is the set of 7 basic sounds of sargam, that is sur. We know that in our music there are 7 sur or 7 sargam which are called as 7 basic sounds of music. So we will represent this set by S. S is equal to curly bracket. Yes. Now 7 basic sound of sargam, that is sur, are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. You all know that sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Again after ni it is sa. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So these are 7. First one is sa, re. Second is re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 basic sounds of that sargam. So student, this is the first question we have completed here. We have written it in rooster form. Now the next question is write the following symbolic statement in words. So we have to write this symbolic statement in words. Now we will see how to do this. So what is this? This is 4 upon 3 and the name of this symbol is epsilon, which means belongs to or an element of. So this is 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. Yes, the meaning of this statement is 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. So we will write 4 upon 3 belongs to set Q. 4 upon 3 belongs to set Q. And you all know that what is set Q? Q is the set of rational numbers which are written in P upon Q form. Yes. So we can also write 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. So student, this is the detail form of that symbolic statement which are given in this question. So this is the answer. Now next question is negative 2 does not belongs to n. The meaning of this symbol is does not belongs to or not an element of. So negative 2 is not an element of n. We all know that n is a set of natural number and negative 2 is not a natural number because the natural number contains the number from 1 to infinite. So student, we can also write like this: negative 2 does not belongs to, negative 2 does not belongs to set n. Yes, negative 2 does not belongs to set n. So student, now the next question is p is equal to p such that p is an odd number. P such that p is an odd number. Student, this set is written in set builder form, that is rule method. So student, we have to write the statement for it in words. So student, what is that? Yes, p is the set of all p's. P is the set of all p's. This is the general element written here. We have studied in the set builder form. We have to take one general element by a variable, by using a variable, and after a variable there is a vertical line which means such that, and after that we have to write the property of that set. So p is the set of all p's such that p is an odd number. P is an odd number. So student, this is the statement which we have written in words for the symbolic form. P is equal to curly bracket p such that p is an odd number. We can also write this set by listing method. I will show you, this is the answer of this question, but I will show you in detail. P is equal to curly bracket. We want the odd number. Yes, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, the number which are not divisible by 2, the number which are not completely divisible by 2. So student, in this way we can solve question number 1 and 2. So you have to note this in your book. Now we will move towards the next question. Student, now the next question is write any two set by listing method and by rule method. So we will take one set A is equal to curly bracket. Now we will take the set of days of the week, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So these are the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we have to write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. So this is a listing method. This set can also be written by rule method. So we will take one general element x for that. X such that x is a day of a week. X is a day of a week. So student, this is a listing form and this is a rule form. Means this set is written by listing method like this: A is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And by rule method, this set can be written as A is equal to curly bracket x such that x is a day of week. So this is one set. One more set we have to take. So we will take set B. B is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Just we have studied in the previous question that these are even natural numbers. So student, these are even number, these are natural number as well as even. So these are even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That are natural number also, and that numbers are completely divisible by 2. That is why they are even also. So we have written this set by listing method. Now we have to write this set by rule method. So B is equal to curly bracket. Now we will take general element by y such that y is an even natural number. So student, in this way I written the two sets by listing method and rule method. You can take any set, but you have to write that set which you have took in rooster form, that is by listing method and by rule method also. You can take any set from your textbook. You can make the set by yourself, make the set of anything, but you have to denote that set in the two method, that is listing method and by rule method. Now student, we will move towards the next question. So now the next question is, write the following set by using listing method. So student, out of that, first question is all the months in the Indian solar year. Means we have to make the set of element which are the months of our Indian solar year. So student, let this set is denoted by S. S is equal to curly bracket Chaitra, Vaishak, Jeshth, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahayan, Posh, Magh, Falgun. So these are the months of the Indian solar year. Now student, the next question is letters in the word complement. So we have to make the set of letters of the word complement. So let us denote this set by A. A is equal to curly bracket. Now the first letter is C, so we have to write C here. Now O, M, P, L, next is E, and now after E it is M, but M is already there in the set, and we have learned in the basics that we don't have to repeat the elements of the set. If they are repeating, write them only once. So after E it is M, but M is there, so directly we will jump on the next element, and that is also E. E is already there in this set, so we have to skip E. Now the next element will be N and T. So these are the letters of the word complement which can be taken as the element of set A. Now the next question is set of human sensory organs. So students, we all know the sensory organ in our body, the human sensory organs. So let this set is denoted by capital B. B is equal to curly bracket, and the sensory organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and last one is skin. These are the 5 sensory organs in human beings. There are only 5 sensory organs in human being, and that sensory organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now the next question is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Student, we know the definition of prime numbers, the numbers which are divisible by 1 in itself, but we have to write that prime numbers from 1 to 20. Let this set is denoted by capital P. P is equal to curly bracket. Now first prime number is 2, second is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Student, these numbers are the prime numbers from 1 to 20 which are divisible by 1 and itself. So now the next question is names of the continents of the world. Student, there are 7 continents in the world, and that continents are, let this set is denoted by T. T, you can give any capital letter as the name of the set. So T is equal to curly bracket. First continent is our continent, that is Asia. Next is Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, and North America and South America. These are the 7 continents of our world: Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America. So these are the 7 continents of the world. Student, in this way we can solve question number 4 of practice set 1.1. Note all the answers in your notebook, and then we will move towards the next question. The next question is write the following set using the rule method. So first question is A is equal to curly bracket 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Student, 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3. So actually these are the squares of natural numbers. So we can write this in rule method. See, the square of 1 is 1. So we can take a general element x here, x such that x is equal to n square. I am writing this x is equal to n square because these numbers are the square of natural number. Now we have to take n from the set of natural number. So n belongs to natural number. X such that x is equal to n square, and this n belongs to the set of natural number, and now n is less than or equal to 10. Means student, when we will write this set by rule method, we have to take one general element, and that general element will be equal to n square, where n belongs to capital N and n is less than or equal to 10. So it will take first 1 here. The square of 1 is 1, then it will take 2, the square of 2 is 4. Like this it will take the numbers and make the square of them, and after that finally it will take 10 and make the square of 10, so it will be 100. So this will take from the set of natural number, and one condition is there, it is equal to less than or equal to 10. So it will take all the numbers less than 10 and make the square of that. It will also take 10 and make the square of 10, and these are the element of that particular set. So student, now b is equal to curly bracket 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. These are the multiples of 6. So we can write it in rule method. So b is equal to curly bracket, we will take one more general element y such that y is equal to 6n. I am writing here y is equal to 6n. Why? Because these are the multiples of 6. Now n belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural number, and one more condition we have to write, n is less than 9. N is less than 9. So it will take n from the set of natural number. First it will take 1, 6 1s are 6, then it will take 2, 6 2s are 12, then it will take 3. Like this it will take the numbers, and after that it will take 8. Finally it will take 8. 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. Then it will try to take the 9, 6 9 the 54, but the numbers are less than 9, so that it will skip the 9. So 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54. It will not come in this set because the condition is there, the number should be less than 9. So these are the multiple of 6. Now next, c is equal to curly bracket smile. These are the letters of word smile. So c is equal to, we will take one general element x such that x is a letter of word smile. smile. X is a letter of word smile. Yes. Now student, this is very easy, which we have studied in the previous question. This set we have studied in the previous question, that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is nothing but it is a days of the week, set of days of the week. Yes. D is equal to curly bracket x such that x is a day of a week. X is a day of a week. Now last one is x is equal to a, e, t. This is nothing but these are the letters of word eat. So x is equal to curly bracket z such that z is a letter of word eat. Or you can say x z such that z is a letter of word eat, or t, or ate. You can make any words from these letters. So student, in this way we have completed the practice set 1.1. Solve this practice set in your notebook. Try to solve it by yourself. Make the practice and do it well. All the best. Thank you very much. Now we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.